Welcome to Project Salt Road, Symbiotic Infrastructure for High-Density AI. This video outlines a 000 blueprint for northern Thailand's digital transition, focusing on zero net carbon, zero water waste, and zero import reliance. Thailand saw a 67% surge in tech investment applications in 2025, driven by AI. Historically, this model has treated communities as passive hosts. Now, the 2026 regulatory pivot links tax relief to measurable local impacts, requiring a social license to operate. The traditional Silicon Valley location in the north faces geoclimatic vulnerabilities, including seismic wave amplification and severe monsoon flooding. Moving to the northern region, Industrial Estate offers a tectonic and hydrological fortress with higher elevation and robust water management capacity. During the northern haze season, PM 2.5 from biomass burning introduces volatile compounds that chemically corrode hardware. Single-phase immersion cooling seals high-density AI GPUs in a dielectric fluid, isolating them from these threats and capturing 100% of the heat load. The system utilizes dual inputs: low salinity freshwater and high salinity toxic industrial brine. The PRO membrane converts osmotic pressure into power, generating 24/7 baseload power and simultaneously diluting the toxic brine to safe levels. Integration with the Quang River Canal includes mitigating evaporation, conserving millions of liters of water for local farmers. The microclimate cooling effect from the canal also significantly enhances PV performance for the microgrid's output. We achieve energy sovereignty using domestic rock salt reserves for 100 megawatt-hours Na-ion storage, which is 30% to 40% more cost-effective than lithium. Anodes are synthesized through biomass to hard carbon pyrolysis of local agricultural waste, transforming farm byproducts into high-tech components. The infrastructure enables peer-to-peer energy markets within the ERC Sandbox, turning passive consumers into active energy stakeholders. The 100 megawatt-hours Na-ion BESS coordinates distributed assets in a virtual power plant, smoothing grid spikes and enhancing regional energy security. The Community Dividend Dashboard outlines 3 benefits. Household empowerment eliminates electricity bills. Islanding microgrid capability keeps vital local services powered during grid failures. Aquatic ecosystem protection is ensured by canal shading and PRO dilution of brine. Phase 1 involves deployment and construction, creating 2,000 specialized roles. Phase 2 focuses on high-tier operations and education, establishing 200 to 300 permanent technical roles and direct PhD research pipelines with local universities. The salinization threat from reckless potash extraction in Dan Kun That is a serious concern. Project Salt Road ensures supply chain sovereignty by strictly mandating sourcing from highly regulated domestic rock salt reserves, avoiding ecologically destructive new mining. Technological risk in blue energy is membrane fouling, mitigated by pre-treatment. Ecological risk from solar waste is addressed by mandating strict recycling of PV materials. Regulatory grid access friction is countered by actively lobbying for transparent grid liberalization. The traditional decide and defend approach leads to friction, delays, and pushback. Transparency and symbiosis equal velocity. By solving the community's equations first, we gain public legitimacy, which is treated as a strategic prerequisite, not a peripheral concern. The Symbiotic data center achieves zero net carbon, zero water waste, and zero import reliance. Project Salt Road proves that gigascale AI infrastructure can actively enrich, rather than deplete, its host environment, transforming northern Thailand's industrial heartland.